Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I don't really think this needs to be made into a video, but the gentleman that sent it to me, because I've got a video almost like this, and actually for a fire department, but the way he wants me to cut an outline around the border, so I'm going to go to Range and ungroup it all, and then let's try this border. And there it is, but my border is filled in with white. So there it is. I still have it selected, and there's my border. So it was that easy. Now what I would do is go Control G and group that back together. And if you did not design this logo and you're not sure there's any cut lines, what I always suggest is put your nudge factor where your cut line will be off the page, and then run this as an engraved part. Don't do a combination job, and then just move it out of the way and nudge this back over, and it'll be right back where it was. And then you can cut this, and then that way, if there's just by chance any hairlines in this logo, it will not affect you. Now there's more than one way to do that. Let's click Control D and move it over. Let's go up to a range and ungroup everything, and then you could grab the outside, and then you could do the same thing, but because this was all grouped together, it will make a border. So to do this, you'd have to go to a range, break curve apart, and it's going to turn it black, and then you can create a boundary. Of course, mine is white. I've got it, somebody sent me a file, and I haven't changed it back yet. And then you could nudge over your item back, and that's the way you could do that. So you could always break the curve apart and delete. And this is a pretty cool logo. It's whoever designed it did a really good job of shaping the A and doing the text to curve. But that's how I would do it. And as always, and if you wanted to make a little bit more wood on the outside, you could always go to Effects, Contour, and then contour it to the outside just a little bit, 0.0, let's say 5. Let's zoom in here, break your contour apart, and then grab your red one and hit delete. Turn this one to red just so you'll know it's a hairline, and nudge it over, and now you've got a little bit more wood showing, and it won't cut right on that mark. That's the way I would prefer to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.